This question you are given enrolled student and past student from PQRST V and X institute. You have to find maximum number of passed by enrolled of any institute. So technically, if you can see, you have to see the PQRST VX, choose every institute and then compare among the values which you are going to get P by E. So how do we do this? If we have to do it normally, for P passed, we'll do 17% of 5746 by P enrolled is 15% of 8619. So this will require a lot of calculation. How do we do it like normally as a human being? So what I just did is, which one is numerator is lower than the denominator, I just skipped it, because why will I take those object? That is very clear. I think you got it right. Like for Q, if it's 10 and then 22, this part is lower than this thing. It's always will be lower than the other one, in which the case the numerator is higher. So I just need to take these values. So as I told you, x by y is constant everywhere. They're dealing with the same numbers. We'll just focus on the percentage. So let me tell you some of the cases in which, when we do this kind of question in CAT or a lot of question asked in our mocks, they don't give us how many people are enrolled or how many people are passed. They don't give us this value. They don't give us. And then they ask you which one is max and min, compare it, which is the highest. So logically, if I consider this x and y, we are comparing just the percentages. Like for P, it's 17 by 15 x by y. For Q, it will be 10 by 22 x by y. Okay, so but see, for P, passed is 17 and enrolled is 15. So okay, my numerator is greater, I'll take P. This is 10, I will not take this part because this is lower, the numerator is lower. See, as you can see, you eliminated one of the option. If you repeat with this and the one which is greater with the other one, you can pretty fast do this, because you know how to multiply faster than divide. And you can see all these numbers are not much, like 15 into 8, you just know 15 into 10 is 150, 15 into 2 is 30, and then just 150 minus it to 120. You can do it in your mind. 12 into 9 is 10 is 120, then just come down, or you just know that the value of multiplication. So the whole funda is, don't blindly do calculation. Don't even do calculation even here. Do some speed technique and just eliminate your answer option, and just know that they don't want you calculate. They don't want you to become a human calculator. There must be some logic involved, so try to use different techniques to get your answer. I hope you get the logic right. Thank you. Now I wrote all the percentage value. You got it. Why I didn't write x by y? Because that is constant everywhere. But still, this also requires some division. What should I do with this? Let's compare these two. So I just multiplied 17 into 12 and 15 into 15. 15 squares are 225, and then 17, this thing is 204. So the first one multiplied with the second, so this is 204, and the second one, I'll consider this as second, the lower part as second, because it's the numerator which count. That is my technique, is 225. So my second is bigger, so I'll remove this one.